You cut up on this one, JC.
Damn, Spark, you shut up.
Got on my old nigga. Got on my old nigga. That's what you heard. That's what you heard, nigga. They boom can't hump again. They say boom can't talk again. They say boom can't walk again. They say boom he dead. Oh, that's what you heard. Oh, that's what they said. Got on my old nigga. Don't worry about it. Free the triggers, nigga. Free the robbers. They say boom, my niggas hate your guts. They so terrified. Every time I get in ghetto mode, nigga, somebody dying. I can't even listen to them niggas, cause I know they lying. Niggas want some clout off me so bad, this shit ain't making sense. Niggas want some clout off me so bad, they are sucking dick. Too many coffers around this bitch, you better tell them boys to quit. Rollin' with a bunch of 69s, just trying to make me mad. Like I am or something, like I won't hop on niggas' ass. Told these niggas I'm different breed, for real, I never lie. Hard body, got that from my mama and my daddy's side. Real nigga, you can't fuck with me if you ain't certified. Fuck the other side, ghetto mode, they thought this shit was over. Come on now, bitch, you know I'm worse than Corona. Come on now, bitch, you know you fucking with a soldier. In the hood, still thuggin', with a few niggas. Free number 8, don't worry about it, in a few niggas. Up the scope, every time we get a load, we poppin' up. Exactly how I like it, don't nobody even know it's us. Don't ask me about no ops, you smell the shit, I'm rollin' one. Bitch, mad that nigga gone, hot, you ain't the only one. When you up, they love you. When you down, they play you dumb. That's your bitch, you better get her, before I turn her to a trigger. Ever put the play right on your stupid ass soon as I meet her. In that deep end, this ball lasts as long as we ain't sinking. Bleed different, he ain't certified, he ain't with me, nigga. Why they acting like they hard body? We gon' see, nigga. Got half of the city mad. I'm like, don't worry about it. I tear this bitch up by myself, don't need no damn army. Bleed different, he ain't certified, he ain't with me, nigga. Why they acting like they hard body? We gon' see, nigga. Got half of the city mad. I'm like, don't worry about it. I tear this bitch up by myself, don't need no damn army.
Car meets in the city, man.